Last week when we checked the bird was so small, and then something amazing happened to the birds. And it was... Guys, look how big the birds are. They're starting to show some colors. And look how big it is. It's now starting to phase to start feeding it. And they haven't set foot and they haven't stopped flying yet. Because look how small. This is what it looked like trying to do some close-ups. Do you like the close-ups? Guys, do you like it? Comment down below how good is my footage. You can really see the birds right there. You can really see those three birds and those colors. Do you like them? So yeah, they are starting to develop adult feathers like their parents. So they are now 3 weeks old and they still have their baby feathers, but they're starting to drop their feathers and develop nice feathers just like the adults are, like I said before. Do you really like on the birds? Oh, they look so cute cuddling each other to get warmth for each other. Weather. It's now about 5 o'clock. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace out for now. Goodbye. And bye. Do you like these week videos? Like it if you want me to keep going with the bird playlist. See ya.